Welcome back. My name is Patricia. I'm really excited to explore some of what is new in Canva. So something new here in Canva is the ability to copy style. So if I want to turn a photograph into a sketch, photo to graphic, and I'm going to select elements here on the left. I'm just in a presentation design, and I want to select one of these graphics like a sketch. This one is a little bit more complex, so we'll see if that works. I'm going to right click, copy style, and then apply it, click onto the image itself. So I just selected an element. I already had my picture uploaded. I right click on the element and then try to apply the style. Now nothing is happening, so what I'm going to do is try it with another element. What I have found, it works fairly quickly when it works. If it's not working quickly, then it may not be the right photo or combination. So I'm going to, again, I've selected an element, right click, copy style, and apply it to the picture, and I should see it working. Now, often when I'm doing the apply style, copy style, it gives me two options here, copy art style or basic style. I'm going to select copy art style and now click on the image, and you can see it is working when it kind of whites out the image. So you know if you're waiting for something or nothing. And I have found when I've tried it with other images, especially photos of myself, maybe too much complexity with the image or the background, it didn't work. As we saw here, it worked very quickly, or fairly quickly. So then you know it works if you're wasting your time or not for that particular image and element. And it will tell you if it isn't working for that photo. A notification will turn up at the top, as I'll show you here. All right, let's move on. I was specifically looking for AI video effects. Okay, at the home screen, we want to select templates. And then we are going to scroll down a little bit, and we want to see Meet AI video effects is new. We're going to select See All off to the right. And then I have had fun with this photo booth one, played with a few of these. Let's select one. This peephole is really fun. And then what you want to see is this add image option. So then you select add image and select your create with AI. And it takes a few minutes. It will be saved to your projects and uploads, and you can select close so you can work on the next one. So let's select close and pick the next one. And you can see on the bottom here, two are being worked on. Here on the left, uploads. So if I drag it over, it will fill the page. And then what I want to do, I've selected the image, going to go to edit, and then image to video, generate 5-second video with this still image. And this is fantastic. This is incredible. That is truly incredible. Even my hair is moving. Add video to design. So now it's going to replace the still image. So if you, that's incredible. Like, how does it do that? Oh, and it may not be perfect and you might get mixed results, but truly something to try out. Now let's go to home and recent designs to see what happened with the peephole one. All right. It zooms into the peephole, and I mean, it's not a perfect picture what it did with my still image, but you can try it a couple times to see I got different results. Sometimes it's better than others for it really looking like myself, but pretty fun that you can try these different things. So that one's kind of okay. Let's pick this one. Okay. And then I want to go to captions here up at the top. And I can select what type of captions. We're just going to try with this one. And then you can search a little bit more to make sure it's an accessible, legible, and I can drag it to be a little bit more. I do want to stay within the box that shows up when I'm moving it. And let's give it a try to see. Record. We'll go up to a few seconds and okay, so that worked. And then you can see that it creates the captions. You can go in and edit them as well. When you share and download the video, it is sharing it with the captions as well. Thanks for checking out this tutorial. Let's take a look at a couple of the downloads. It created the captions in Canva, and the whole video file with the captions was able to be downloaded. So let's also take a look at the other downloads, like how it's only a 5-second video, but that's pretty amazing. Like into the trampoline. This is great. I hope that you have fun. I love exploring what's new on a platform, sharing it with you. A couple of things I've noticed recently as well with some of the updates with Canva. When I was opening up a document on my phone, it automatically put it into Canva to show it to me in Canva, even though it was a document on my phone that I was downloading from an email. So that's something that I want to explore a little bit more because I don't necessarily want everything uploaded into Canva immediately. If there are choices. But I know what is great is it looks like there is a partnership with Google and Canva, but being able to create all these options in Canva, there is more to explore. Let me know if you have questions, if there's anything that you want me to dive into. I know there's video building blocks and mobile video hooks and sound effects. We saw the AI video effects, a photo to graphic. We can use our printer, element effects, and there's Magic Video 2.0, image to video, and which we saw, and then caption styles as well. And there's so much more. Thanks for checking this out. My name is Patricia. Was I not recording the whole time? Oh, I was. Ooh.